everyone, and welcome to today's discussion on the benefits of long-term investing. Investing in the stock market can be a great way to grow your wealth over time, but it's important to understand the different strategies available to you. Today, we're going to focus on the advantages of taking a long-term approach to investing and why it can be a great choice for many people. Benefit 1. Time to weather market volatility. One of the biggest benefits of long-term investing is that it gives you time to weather market volatility. When you invest for the long term, you inherit the opportunity to hold on to your investments even when the market experiences ups and downs. Over time, these fluctuations tend to even out, and your investments have the potential to grow significantly. Benefit 2. Compound interest. Another key advantage of long-term investing is the power of compound interest. When you invest for the long term, your returns have the chance to compound over time, which means that your returns generate returns of their own. This can result in significant growth over a long period of time, even if your investments aren't growing at a particularly high rate. Benefit 3. Opportunity to invest in growth stocks. Long-term investing gives you the opportunity to invest in growth stocks, which are companies with high growth potential. These stocks tend to be riskier than other types of investment, but they also have the potential for higher returns over the long term. Doing your research for good companies and buying market corrections to dollar cost average your average cost per share make a big difference where this is concerned. By investing for the long term, you give yourself time to ride out the ups and downs of growth stocks and potentially reap the benefits of their long-term success. Benefit 4. Reduced stress. Finally, long-term investing can be a great way to reduce stress and enjoy a more relaxed approach to investing. When you invest for the long term, you don't have to worry about day-to-day market fluctuations or constantly monitoring your investments. Instead, you can focus on choosing solid investments and holding on to them for the long term, which can help you stay calm and focused on your long-term goals. In conclusion, there are many benefits to taking a long-term approach to investing, including weathering market volatility, taking advantage of compound interest, investing in growth stocks, and reducing stress. Of course, it's important to remember that investing always carries some level of risk, and you should always do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. But for many people, the benefits of long-term investing can outweigh the risks and provide a great way to grow your wealth over time. Thanks for joining us today to learn about the benefits of long-term investing. Make sure to leave us a comment on what you thought and hit that subscribe button to receive future content. I hope this information has been helpful, and I wish you the best on your investment journey.